Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from an inherited IRA at Schwab step by step clearly. To withdraw from an inherited IRA at Schwab, start by logging into your Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Select the inherited IRA account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Click on the Withdraw option available in the Account menu. Choose the type of withdrawal you want to make. You can select a one-time withdrawal or set up recurring withdrawals. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the tax withholding options and choose the appropriate percentage if necessary. Confirm the withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. Next, select the method for receiving your funds. You can choose a direct deposit to your bank account or a check mailed to your address. If you select direct deposit, enter your bank account details. Make sure to double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button to process the withdrawal. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message and reference number. Monitor your account for any notifications regarding the status of your withdrawal. Keep in mind that withdrawals from inherited IRAs may have tax implications. Consult with a tax professional if you have questions about potential tax liabilities. Stay aware of any deadlines related to required minimum distributions if applicable. That concludes the process for withdrawing from an inherited IRA at Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.